Hello everyone, in this video I'll be guiding you through how to add friends on Real Boxing 2. If you want to add friends on Real Boxing 2 but don't know how, then here's how you can do it. First things first, open your Real Boxing 2 application on your preferred device. Once you're in the main menu, tap on the friends icon with a plus button in it at the top left right next to the gear button. Now at the bottom menu, you should be able to see Add Friend button. Tap on it and then in the search box, enter the ID of your friend you'd want to add. After typing in the friend's ID, tap on OK and tap on Add Friend. And soon after you tap on the Add button, you'll be able to add friends in Real Boxing 2. Once your friends accept your invitation or your request, you'll be able to add them on Real Boxing 2. That was how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.